guys, so I'm currently outside my house. And you I literally just fell almost on my freaking soul. I'm trying to show you guys, like, we have that plant, we have that plant, then we have that plant, which is the prettiest plant in the world. Okay guys, let's go to the room. Ooh, gosh. Okay, you see, it's all normal. This is not gonna be there. Here's the brick wall, and here's the windows, then this thing that we're gonna remove, and we have a white ceiling. Yay! This is the closet. There are two things there. It's high up, and then I just have this closet and that light, the best light in the house. This is my bathroom, and here's also another brick wall and toilet, whatever. This stuff is going to go in our bathroom, obviously, because it's in the bath. Yellow. And then we also have these things, which I don't know what that is, but we also have that. And that little thing up there. And the window. That's our bathroom. This is my sister's room. Her curtains are open. So yeah, and then this is this is her room, so all of the stuff's gonna go. She has two brick walls and one and two wallpaper walls. This is my parents' room. Whee! They have this closet, that closet, that closet, and that closet. It goes like that. And then this is our shower. This is so cool. Look here. Actually, you go there, and then you inside, so you go like this. Then you can shower here. Yeah. Then they have this, my mom already. They have like a Donald Duck thing, which I'm really curious about. Yeah, toilet, and the towels, and this, and hi. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar. You should dance with me. You should get to know me. Kick it with the homies. Let go of your worries. You should dance with me. Hey guys, so I currently just got back from our house. I still have a lot of work to do that I need to get done, but I'm just so lazy by doing that because I don't want to do it. Question of the day: how long have you stayed in your house? Go, let me know because I want to know. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.